The Ultraloq, uboltpro smart deadbolt. In today's video I will review, talk about, and also show you guys how to install this awesome all-in-one smart lock the right way. And make sure to stick till the end of the video, because I'm also sharing my professional tip how you can get this awesome smart lock even more secure at the same time. Stay tuned. So the feature of the Ultraloq uboltpro smart deadbolt. The first and most important thing that this awesome smart lock is all in one. So you guys need to understand, when you're purchasing this smart lock, you will getting 360-degree fingerprint reader, so it will allow you to store up to 120 fingerprint access. This is just awesome, and it gives really a big variety of access using a fingerprint. Another cool feature that you can use, it's an actual code. So yes, it's also an actual keypad that will allow you to store codes of keyless entry. On top of all of that, you will be able to use the auto unlock feature. So basically, if you're coming back from shopping and your hands is full, you don't even need to do anything. When you enable this feature, the lock will recognize that you are entering the area, the radius of your house, and it will basically unlock it for you as long as your smartphone is with you. Now this feature is pretty secure, guys. It will not auto unlock automatically when you're in the house or when you're near the actual door lock. They made it smart, so basically only if you're leaving the zone where you live for a certain amount of time, and when you're entering back, when you're coming back and approaching to the door, then it will activate that feature and it will auto unlock the door and the lock for you. Another cool feature with this lock is the ability to use a conventional key. Yes, so this lock also have a conventional key, which is a Schlage keyway. Okay, moving on to other feature that this lock, you will be able to use a phone app. So yes, if you want, you guys can use an actual phone app and basically use this lock with the additional Wi-Fi bridge. You will be able to auto unlock it and use this lock remotely with your smartphone. You will also get push notifications. So yeah, when someone enters the door, you will get a push notification, and when the door is shut closed, you will also be notified, and you can control everything through your smartphone. Another cool feature is going to be the ability to send electronic key to someone else. So you will be able to send invitation to friends and family to open the door locks with their own smartphone, and you as the administrator, you can revoke this access later on and so forth. Okay, I think we talk about everything, but what about the security rating? What about the security level of this lock? So this awesome smart lock basically offers 128-bit, which is advanced encryption standard with dual key. So basically it will give you more security if someone try to hack this lock. It's gonna be very difficult, guys. From my opinion, it's almost impossible. Okay guys, just so you know that Ultraloq is a sponsor of this video. They actually send me this lock so I can review it. And guys, let's move on, and I will show you also how to install it the right way, coming up right now. So quick look of what we have inside the box. So of course you're gonna have the keypad, the thumb turn, which is the motor of the keypad. Also, we're gonna have the Wi-Fi bridge, so that will connect to your Wi-Fi. The keypad will connect to the Wi-Fi using that Wi-Fi bridge. And you guys have 4 alkaline battery included. The actual deadbolt, it looks really good for me. My opinion is anywhere between grade 2 to grade 3 security rating, but it looks really nice. We got the mounting bracket, and we have the strike plate that you're gonna have to install. Now guys, you can install the provided strike plate if you want to. That's very important for security in general, so no one can kick the door really easy. So that will reinforce the actual frame of the door. Now, I do have a video that showing you over there how you can install the security door strike plate. It's heavy duty 11 inches door strike plate that I personally recommend to you guys to do. So you can check that video on the link right now. So check that video. It's a great video showing you guys how to reinforce the door the best way and affordable ways possible. So check that link right now and check how you can install the security door strike plate so it will increase security in general for this awesome keypad. Okay, moving on, we have the screws, 2 keys that also provided. They also included a screwdriver and a Phillips screwdriver. That's really nice of them if you guys don't have it. And the installation instructions and manual. Okay, that's all you need to know about what's have inside the box, guys. Now let's move on with the installation coming up right now. Okay, so the first thing, guys, that we're gonna do is to make sure what installation our door is and what is the actual back set. So in case that your door is 2 3/4, you're gonna have to readjust the actual deadbolt. Now most of the time it's gonna be 2 3/8, but if you do need to change it to 2 3/4, this is how you do it. You just twist it and that's it. That's a 2 3/4. And in my case, I use 2 3/4 back set to show you guys how to install it. Okay, so putting the deadbolt just like this and securing it with the provided screws. All right, so that's how it looks like. And moving on, this is our keypad. This is the fingerprint reader and the actual code. And if you wonder where the key is, so it's right there underneath. You can see also the small slot if you do need to charge it in case the battery died from the actual outside. So this is how you can connect the cable and give it additional power in case your battery died. And right here, we're gonna basically open it. And this is your keyhole. So right now, basically, you can use the manual key that provided with the lock and basically override and unlocking and locking the actual keypad. Okay, so looks really nice. There is a small cover for weather resistant for the actual outside charging. It's looked pretty good to me and pretty sealed. Cable, of course, is going underneath the deadbolt, not above, below. And make sure that the tailpiece is gonna be horizontal. All right, put it in. Make sure to keep holding it with your hand, because otherwise it's gonna fall. All right, this is how it's gonna look on the back. What are we gonna do right now is installing our mounting bracket. So, actual cable, as you can see, go right here in this slot. The 2 side screws also provided. Gonna secure them. All right. You want to make sure that the keypad and the mounting bracket is straight as possible. Yeah, I think it's pretty straight. Mounting bracket is also straight. Great. All right, moving on, connecting the cable to the back side of the actual keypad. That's the motor side, the thumb turn. So slowly connect it to the slot right there. All right. And you can see how the cable is. Make sure it's around There is also two small screws that will secure the motor. Two very small black screws. All right. Putting the 4 alkaline batteries. All right. You guys ready for the programming? Coming up right now. First step with the programming is to download the UTech application. So you can download it from the App Store or from your Android application store. And after you download the application, you have to allow notification, and it will ask you to put your name, password, your cell phone number, and all the other good stuff. After you're doing that, it will send you an actual verification code that you're going to have to enter to the actual application. And then it will basically allow you to log in to this screen that I am right now. Now, the first thing is we're going to have to add a device. So the first option is ubolt/uboltpro. That's what we're going to choose. And turn on Bluetooth on your smartphone. Stay near the Ultraloq within around 3 feet. Okay, so we're going to scan for Ultraloq. It will find automatically our lock, so we're going to choose the option. Now we're going to have to create an admin code, something between 4 and 8 digit. It's going to create it for you. I'm going to choose something stupid just for the sake of the programming, but you guys choose something difficult, okay? All right, so next. All right, so there is an option to take a picture of the Ultraloq if you want, or you can just name it, whatever you guys prefer. So I'm going to call it front door. All right, okay. You see that the light turned blue. It's meaning that it's in a programming mode. Okay, so now you're going to have to choose the deadbolt direction. So either way, it's going to be left or right-handed. So in my case, well, as you can see in the picture, that's the left picture. So we're going to choose that. And then we're going to click done. All right, so that's pretty much it for the actual programming itself. I mean, we didn't connect the Wi-Fi bridge yet, but that's going to be very simple to do anyway. So lock it. Right now it's locked. Now it's connected with the Bluetooth only for now. So door is locked. Touching that button will unlock it. Lock it back. Now this is with the Bluetooth range, obviously, so it's about 10 feet or something like that. User. Now my code, as I program, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and press the Ultraloq. This is how you use your user code. Now it will lock automatically because this is how it's set up from the actual default after like 30 seconds or something like that. But let's actually add a fingerprint. So if you go inside of the actual user information, you will be able to set up your fingerprints. So let's add my fingerprint here. And, oh, it locks automatically. Okay, so start adding a fingerprint. I'm going to use my thumb. Lift and place your fingerprint again. Do it again. Again. And one more time. All right, so success. Now let's test it. Let's see how it works. Voila. Look at that. Pretty good. Well, let's lock it again. Use it again. Oh. Okay. Yeah, I did it too fast. You have to keep your finger for a second or so. Okay, guys, this is how it works. Awesome. Okay, so going to the setting, we're gonna pair a bridge. Okay, so add bridge. make sure, guys, that it's going to be on the 2.4 gigahertz network, not on the 5. So if your phone connects to the 5 gigahertz, change it to the 2.4. Remember, guys, it's very important. Otherwise, it won't be able to connect. So the 2.4 gigahertz, that's what we're going to have to choose. After you're doing so and your phone connecting to it, you're going to choose the bridge. Okay. My name of the network is Life is Good. Now you're gonna have to put your Wi-Fi password, of course. I'm not gonna show you mine, but you know yours. Okay. And click Next. All right, now it's connecting the Wi-Fi bridge to the lock, so everything will be connected. And you will be able to get push notification to your smartphone and also control the actual lock remotely. All right, success, done. Now, basically, the lock connected because you're close to it, so it will be connected with the Bluetooth. But if you're far away from it, so then it will use the actual Wi-Fi bridge, and it will allow you to unlock the door remotely. And also get a push notifications. Okay, guys, so now you know how to do all the good stuff. The installation, the programming is super simple compared to other smart lock that I demonstrate in my channel. This one is very simple. It's very straightforward. Didn't have any problem with the programming or the installation. Everything is very simple and I like it. And other stuff. Okay, so on the plus sign, you can add more users. And you can also add more fingerprint if you like. And there is other setting here, guys, that you can play with if you want. Let's see. So you can enable the auto unlock feature. Basically, the auto unlock feature is something really awesome. I explain you guys about that feature. It will basically auto detect that you're next to the door and it will automatically unlock the door as you approach. These features use device GPS to determine when you're returning and all the other good stuff. So this is where you can actually enable it. So it's really cool, guys. It's worked really good. And don't worry, it will not unlock the actual door automatically if you're in the house. It will basically activate when you leave the actual radius of your property and coming back. So don't worry about that part, okay? And auto unlock, you can change it to a minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, however you guys want. So this is where you change the auto lock feature and all the other good stuff. Now there is a firmware and actual update that you guys also need to do, most likely. So this is where you do it. You got to be next to the actual lock and update it. So are you sure to update this? Yes. Okay. Estimated time remaining. So it will take probably a minute or two or whatever, but it's very important because this is an update to the actual hardware of the keypads, and it's very, very important. Okay, so we'll wait a second and see what's going on. Guys, let me know in the comment section below what do you think about the video. If you have any questions, anything regarding the installation or the programming, I will be more than happy to answer. Just write a comment below in the section of the actual comments. Okay, so it's done. Success. That's it, guys. We are set. Everything is ready. Connecting the Wi-Fi bridge. We have an actual code, 1, 2, 3, 4. We also can use our fingerprint. We can also use our fingerprint to unlock it, and we can use our phone app. Either way, we are next to the door or far away through the actual Wi-Fi adapter. And that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much. Now you know how to install the Ultraloq uboltpro Smart Deadbolt the right way. I'll also share with you guys my professional tip how you can get this lock even more secure on top of the security rating and all the other good stuff. If you have any questions or if you have anything that you want to ask me regarding this video or about this lock, just write a comment in the comment section below and I promise that I will answer as soon as I can. Now the most important thing, guys, if you didn't do so, like my video. Yes, give a like to my video, smash that like button. This is how YouTube rewards me. This is how they promote my video. So thank you. And also, if you're new to my channel and if you didn't do so, consider subscribing and make sure to click the bell notification and turn on all notifications so you will be notified when I release new videos when I release them. And also, the last thing is that I'm sharing here in those windows my previous videos, and I'm sure that you'll find them super interesting as well. So make sure to click and watch those videos right now, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much.